How to play FIFA Mobile on your computer. Today I'm going to show you how to play FIFA Mobile on your computer, which is pretty easy. So for that, what you have to do is you have to download an Android emulator on your computer/laptop. So for that, I'm going to go to the Google and type in BlueStacks, and then I'm going to enter, and then I'm going to go to this website. This is the official website of the BlueStacks. You can simply download the BlueStacks. You have to click on the download. It will start downloading. You have to click on this, and it will start installing the BlueStacks on your computer. After installing it, you'll see something like this. You'll see something like this. This is a total Android device in which you have a Google Play Store. Every app you have installed. All you have to do is you have to go to the Google Play Store, sign in with your Google account, and you can simply download the FIFA Mobile from the Google Play Store, which is pretty easy. So BlueStacks is an Android emulator which will let you run every Android application on your computer/laptop. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Hope you find this video helpful.